Hi friends, now we are going to discuss about the project which is used to predict the heart disease. First here the project is been implemented over here. First initially that all the header files are declared here. So NumPy package, Pandas package, Cborn and Matplotlib and sklearn all packages are installed just to predict the heart disease. So whatever operations are needed to implement, so that all the features are present in these packages. First, we need to upload the file. Here actually for predicting the heart disease, what actually we are going to do is, we are going to first get the data set. So we need to upload the data set over here. So for uploading the data set, Google Colab, which has the file feature. So I'm importing here the google.colab feature, and then from the files it has got the upload function. So with the help of the upload function of the file, I'm uploading the file from the system. And then what I'm going to do is, after the file has been uploaded, I'm going to read that CSV file from the uploaded place, right? So here I'm reading the CSV file and storing it into the data frame. DF is nothing, it's a pandas data frame. And then now I have read the data and I have stored the data in the data frame. Why? Because I need to process the data only from the data frame. I cannot do any kind of processing on the data from the Excel file. That's what I have exported the data from the Excel file to data frame. Now what I need to do, I need to display the first 5 rows of the data. For displaying the first 5 rows of data from the data frame, I can call the head function. With the help of the head function, I am displaying the first 5 rows of the data. Similarly, I can display the last 5 rows of the data. If I want to display last 5 rows of the data, there is a function called tail. So with the help of the tail function of the data frame, I am displaying the last 5 rows of the data. And then I'm displaying the information about the data frame. So we have the info function which prints the information about the data frame. The information contains number of columns, column labels, column data type, memory usage, range index, and the number of cells in each column. So these all information will be displayed when we display the info method. So here these all are the column present in the data set, and the data type of each column is displayed under the D type column. Then I need to display the description about the data in the data frame. So description about the data in the data frame means I need to display number of records present in the each column. Similarly, mean of the each column value, standard deviation of the each column value, minimum value of the each column, maximum value, similarly 25th percentile value, 50th percentile value, 75th percentile value. These all values I could display using the describe function. So that's what I'm because I need to count number of data is present in each column, similar mean of the data, standard deviation. So better I can use the describe function to display all this data. Now what I need to do is I need to find the missing values in the data set. So we have the isNull function which will find the that is missing value, and then I need to find the number of missing value for each column. That's what I'm using that isNull function along with the sum function. Df dot isNull dot sum function, which will display the count of the missing values from the each column in the data set. And now I need to display the basic report about the data frame. That's what it has got the import from Pandas has the profiling package. So I'm creating the object for the profiling package, and then I'm generating the profile report with the help of that package. So which will display the all the columns contains. This is the that is graphs displayed from the each column of the data set. After that, after displaying the profile report, I need to select the best features from the dataset. For selecting the best features from the dataset, I have one package called select kbest. So which is present in the SQL library. So I'm calling that class from the sklearn package. And then now I'm creating the copy of the data frame, and then from the copy of the data frame I'm choosing the independent column, and next I'm choosing the target column. So then I need, with the help of the select k best features, I need to find the best features. So I'm applying the select k best function for allocating the score for the each features. After that, with the help of the fit function, I am fitting it, and then fit.score will assign the score for the each feature present in the data frame, and then I am displaying the score. So which score has highest, which one feature has highest score, the priority goes there. Similarly, instead of SK select K best, we can use the extra tree classifier also, just for finding the importance of each feature. Next, what I am going to do is I am going to predict the heart disease with the help of the random forest. So first what I am going to do, I am going to divide the data set into two parts, that is a training and testing data set. Initially I am going to have the training data, that is 80% of the total data set I am going to have as a training data set. Remaining 20% of the data I am going to use for the testing purpose. Now what I am going to do, I am going to add the random forest classifier from the sklearn.ensemble package. Then after that I am applying the random forest classifier for predicting the heart disease. So the predict method I am using for predicting the heart disease. So here I am feeding the X test data. So now we can predict the values for the given data, and then model can be evaluated based on the accuracy score. So from the sklearn package I am importing the accuracy score function. So with the help of the accuracy score function, I am finding the accuracy of the model. So here if I wanted to display the classification report like precision, recall, efficient score, support. If I wanted to display those values, I can call the classification report function from the sklearn.metrics. So then I am displaying the classification report. Similarly, ROC curve also we can use to measure the performance of the model. Actually, it summarizes the trade-off between the true positive rate and false positive rate for the predictive model using different probability. So this is the ratio between the false positive rate and true positive rate. So here initially we have done some kind of pre-processing. First we have read the data, and we have done the kind of pre-processing, and we have displayed the all the report, profiling report. After that, we have selected the best features using the select a best method, as well as we have used the one more method for selecting the best features, and then we have divided the data set into training set and testing set. Then we have applied the random forest classifier for the prediction of the hard disk size, and for measuring the performance of the proposed model, we have used the accuracy score as well as ROC curve. This is about the complete implementation of the project. Thank you guys.